It's a great pleasure to join you all here in Berlin for the closing of this international workshop on AI Connects. Seeing so many bright and curious young people gathered here is frankly one of the most encouraging signals we could hope for in times like these. I'm supposed to say a few words on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may still feel abstract or distant to some parts of society, but certainly not for your generation and certainly not for you in particular. For you, it is already a daily reality shaping how to study, communicate, and create. While others are still trying to grasp its implications, you are actively engaging with it, testing it, refining it, and in many cases quite literally training it. Now when we speak about AI today, we must do so with both enthusiasm and caution. On the one hand, the progress is extraordinary. AI systems are accelerating scientific discovery, supporting medical breakthroughs, optimizing energy systems, and opening access to education across borders. In many ways, AI has the potential to become one of the most powerful tools for human development we have ever created. Yet, the same technologies also raise serious concerns. Leading AI developers themselves, including organizations such as Anthropic, have repeatedly warned about risks ranging from misinformation and bias to the loss of human oversight and control. They speak about the need for alignment, safety, and governance, not as abstract ideas, but as urgent priorities. And perhaps the most striking aspect is this. The warnings are coming from those who understand the systems best. That should give us pause. It should also give us direction. We are at a point where the question is no longer whether AI will transform our societies, but how and under whose guidance. This brings me to your role, to the role of universities and science more broadly. Higher education is undergoing a profound transformation. AI is changing not only what we study, but also how we study. It challenges traditional ideas of authorship, originality, and even expertise. When a machine can draft an essay, solve equations, or generate code within seconds, the value of education shifts. It is no longer just about producing answers, but about asking the right questions, exercising judgment and understanding context. Universities are therefore becoming places where critical thinking, ethical reflection, and interdisciplinary collaboration are more important than ever. AI does not replace knowledge. It raises the bar for what it means to truly understand something. At the same time, international cooperation, like the one you are experiencing here, becomes essential. AI does not stop at borders. Its opportunities and risks are global. That means the solutions must be global as well. Dialogue between countries, cultures, and disciplines is not a luxury, it is a necessity. And this is exactly what your workshop represents, connection. Not only between technologies, but also between people. Allow me one small observation. AI is becoming increasingly capable, not only of generating answers, but also of engaging in conversation, supporting decisions, and even taking on practical tasks in our daily lives. Yet genuine trust, responsibility in the ethical sense, and the simple act of human connection, like sharing a coffee after a long workshop day, still depend on us. These remain deeply human qualities, and I encourage you to cultivate them alongside your technical expertise. As you engage with AI, I would like to leave you with 3 thoughts. First, remain curious, but also critical. Not everything that is impressive is also beneficial. Second, be ambitious, but also responsible. The tools you are working with are powerful, and power always comes with accountability. And third, stay connected. The challenges we face, whether technological, ethical, or societal, cannot be solved alone. In closing, I would like to repeat how genuinely pleased I am to see so many promising young participants here today, and how much I look forward to hearing about your ideas, your discussions, and perhaps even your disagreements. These are, after all, the foundations of progress, and this is why I accepted the kind invitation to talk to you today. I came because the idea behind Connect is the right one. We need to engage with one another and building connections, talking to each other, working together, studying together, and yes, also celebrating together, as you are doing here. Culture in particular is a powerful bridge between people, and both Egypt and Germany have a great deal to offer in this regard. I wish you the courage to explore new paths, the integrity to question what you build, and the solidarity to face the more difficult aspects of this transformation together. Thank you very much, and have a nice evening.